Okay, done. Let's dive without any delay. As we have discussed 4 sessions before, this is the fifth session I am going to discuss. I am going to give all the links of these 4 sessions in the description. If you are watching for the first time, go and have that links, and you can access that content. Okay, done. First question. See, as a part of TCS, they they will concentrate more and more on number system. So I am going to explain the most important, repeated, and most different questions which was asked previously in this video. Have a look of this first question. See, how many pairs m comma n of integers satisfies the equation 4 power m is equal to n square plus 15. Okay, that is what he is asking. See, please do not add the white space around the answer. That is nothing but, yes, this is the previously asked question. No spaces are entertained. Anybody hint ichchadu actually ga. Ante. That is the meaning of this. Okay, this is not related to the question. Okay. How many pairs m comma n of integers satisfies the equation 4 power m is equal to n square plus 15? See, have a look of this. This can be written as 2 power m whole square minus n square is equal to 15. This is in the form of a square minus b square. This is in the form of a square minus b square. That can be written as a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b. That one we have to get 15. నన్ను ఒక్కసారి చూడండి, ఒక 2 నెంబర్స్ ప్రోడక్ట్ నాకు 15 రావాలి. 2 నెంబర్స్ ప్రోడక్ట్ 15 రావాలంటే ఎలా వస్తుంది చెప్పండి? ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ 1 into 15 I'll get 15, or okay, 3 into 5 15, or 5 into 3 15, or 15 into 1 15. Actually, he has given the m as integers. That's why I'm not considering the decimals here. I hope it's clear. So these are the 4 possible cases where we'll get 15. I hope it's clear. Now he asked us to find out the integral pairs. Okay, integral pair of numbers he is asking. Right. So have a look of it. For example, if I consider 2 power m plus 1 is equal to 1 and 2 power m minus n is equal to 15. This is the first case, according to the first case. Or I can consider, right, 2 power m plus 1 is equal to 15 and 2 power m minus n is equal to 1. From the fourth case, I can take down like that. Now, have a look of it. If you add these two, that is 2 power m plus n, sorry, this is n, right? Okay, 2 power m plus n plus 2 power n minus n is equal to 1 plus 15, it will become 16. 1 plus 15, it will become 16. N get cancel. 2 times of 2 power m is equal to 16. 2 goes for 8 times. 2 power m is equal to 8 can be written as 2 cube. M is equal to 3. M value is 3 from the first case. M value is 3 from the first case. I hope it's clear. Now, have a look. If you substitute m equal to 3 in the first one, okay, if you substitute m is equal to 3 in this one, that is 2 power m minus n is equal to 15. 15 from this. 2 cube, as m is 3, I am going to substitute m value as 3. 2 cube minus n is equal to 15, which is n equal to minus 7. N is equal to minus 7 you will get. Minus 7 you will get. Like that, substitute the same value. 2 power n minus m is equal to 1. Is equal to 1. Now, have a look. That is 2 cube minus n is equal to 1. N is equal to 7. That means, as m is 3, you will get plus 7 in one case. As m is 3, minus 7 in the second case, the value of n. Okay, you got two integer ordered pairs here. 2 pairs. Likewise, if you substitute this second and third case in these equations, you will get 2 more order pairs. So the answer is 4. Answer is 4. Varun, you are right now, it's 4. Right, exactly, it's right. It's 4. Is it clear, everyone? Kindly reply. I'll go with the next question if it is okay to you. These are the very important and mostly repeated, widely asked questions from TCS. Next one, advanced level questions. And do you know, these questions are asked in TCS Digital, which is having the package of 7.4 lakhs to 8 lakhs depending upon your performance. I hope it's clear. Next one. Of all the non-empty subsets of S, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These are the question. This is the question from sets and relations. I hope it's clear. So, how many do not contain the number S, where S denotes the number of elements in S? For example, 3 and 4 is one subset since it does not contain the number 2. What is the meaning of this question? Have a look of it. For example, I'll explain. Have a look. For example, if I consider number 5, if I consider number 5 from this set, we have to consider the 5 numbers, but number 5 should not present in it. Okay, see, I am going to consider a subset of 5 that do not contain 5. That is the meaning of it. See, total there are 7 numbers, out of which I am selecting 5. 7C5 minus, originally I have only 6 numbers because I am not considering the 5 in this case. So 7 లో నుంచి 5 తీసేస్తే 7 numbers లో 5 అనే నెంబర్ తీసేస్తే we have only 6 digits. So 6C5, that is you will get 6 as the answer. You will get 6 as the answer. 7C5 minus 6C5. Answer is 6. Answer is 6. Okay. I hope it's clear. Now, if you consider a subset of 4 that do not contain 4 as well, that is, out of 7 I am selecting 4. Out of 7 I am selecting 4. Sorry, this is 64, right? Okay. Out of 7 I am selecting 4 minus, out of 6 I am selecting only 3. 4 కి 4 తీసుకోవట్లేదు, 3 తీసుకుంటున్నాను. 7C3 minus 6C2. Answer is 20. ఇలా చేసుకుంటూ వెళ్ళిపోవాలి. This is how we have to do, which kills our time. No doubt. This is somewhat confusing method and this will kill our time, no doubt. Now, what is the remedy for this? See, the simple shortcut where we can do is, have a look of it. We have to consider a subset in which the number 2 shouldn't present. Number 2 doesn't contain number 2. That is what he given. So 2 is eliminating. Total there are 6 numbers. 2 power 6 minus 1. That is 2 power 6, which is 64, minus 1, 63. Okay, the answer is 63. Okay, we can form that many subsets. We can form that many subsets. I hope it's clear. Without 2, we can form 63 subsets with 1, 2, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Is it clear, everybody? Kindly reply, is it clear, everyone? If it is okay, I'll go with the next one. Kindly reply all who are there in the class. We'll go with the next question. I hope it's clear. Next one. A chord of a circle has a length 3n, where n is the positive integer. This is the question from coordinate geometry. So a chord of a circle has a length 3n, where n is the positive integer. The segment cut off by the chord has height n. Now have a look. Have a look of it, dx. There is a circle. Chord is a line where it divides the circle into 2 parts. Not 2 equal parts, just 2 parts. That is, he is giving a card which divides the circle into two parts. Okay, and the length of the card is 3n. That is what he given. Length of the card is 3n. 3n. Now, see, the height of the card is n. That is, see, he is saying that the card height is n. Card height is n. N. I hope it's clear. The card height is n. Next one. What is the smallest value of n for which the radius of the circle is also a positive integer? He is asking the radius of the circle should be a positive integer. See, for clarity purpose, I am redrawing the figure here. Have a look of it. Let us think this is the diameter. Diameter is also a chord which divides the circle into two equal halves. Okay, this is the diameter. And this is the radius r. This is all diameter. Now, I am going to draw a chord. I am going to take a chord of length. This chord is of length 3n. Chord is of length 3n is considered. Chord is of 3n is considered. Now, this length is 3n. Okay. Now, he told like it is n. The length is, the height of the circle is n. That is what he told. నన్ను చూడండి, యాజ్ దిస్ ఇస్ ద సెంటర్ ఓ, మనం ఇది ఎక్కడ తీసుకున్నా దిస్ ఇస్ రేడియస్ ఆర్. దిస్ ఇస్ ద రేడియస్ ఆర్ ఓన్లీ. నో డౌట్ అబౌట్ ఇట్. సో వాట్ ఈస్ దిస్ లెంత్? This length is nothing but radius minus length. Radius minus n. R minus n. As we know, this center divides this chord into two equal halves. This will become 3n by 2 and this is also 3n by 2. 3n by 2 and 3n by 2. Let us take the chord of length AB. The chord is of length AB. Okay. And let us consider this as C. This point is as C. Now, see, from the triangle A, O, from the triangle ACO, it's a right angle triangle, right? Right angle triangle. From the right angle triangle, from the Pythagoras theorem, what we can know? What we can say? Hypotenuse square. OA square is equal to OC square plus AC square. Hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square. From this, see, as we know, OA is R. OA is R. R square is equal to OC. This is OC. This value is R minus N. R minus N whole square plus AC. AC is nothing but 3n by 2 whole square. 3n by 2 whole square. Now, try to solve it. R square is equal to a square minus b square. A square plus b square minus 2ab is equal to, sorry, plus 9n square by 2 by 4. This will become 9n square by 4. R square gets cancelled. R square gets cancelled. 2rn is equal to, this is n square and this is 4n square by 4. If you take the LCM, it will become 13n square by 4. 13n square by 4. N and square gets cancelled. If you cross multiply it, 8r is equal to 13n. 8r is equal to 13n. That is, r is equal to 13 by 8 into n. The radius is nothing but 13 by 8 into n. Now have a look. Let us assume, let n is equal to 8. N equal to 8. From that, what we can say? If you assume n equal to 8 from options, then r will become 13. So option C is the right answer. 8. Option C is the right answer. Is this clear, everybody? Kindly reply, is this clear? These are the most repeated, and actually the systematic approach should be present, because these are the questions from number system, and these are the questions from sets and relation, and this is the question from what we call coordinate geometry. So without systematic approach, we can't do these questions. I hope it's clear. Next one. In how many ways can we give change for rupees 100 using 1 rupee and 2 rupees coins? Okay. 1 rupee and 2 rupees coins. For example, 5 rupees we can get 3 ways. See, have a look. For 5 rupees, for example, he is giving like, for example, 5 rupees. For 5 rupees, we can take, if you take only 1 rupee coin, we can take 5 1 rupees. And a second model, we can take 3 1 rupees and 1 2 rupees coin. Or third one, we can consider 1 1 rupee and 2 2 rupees coins. Okay, these are the 3 ways in which we can give change with 1 rupee and 2 rupees. I hope it's clear. I hope it's clear. Like that, he is asking for 100 rupees. 100 rupees. If you give change, then have a look. All 1 rupees, you have to consider 100 number of 1 rupee coins. Okay. And if you consider second case, all 2 rupees, you have to consider 50 number of 2 rupee coins. And for remaining cases, for example, see, we can consider, in order to get 100 rupees, First case, we can consider like 98 1 rupee coins and 1 2 rupee coin. Next, second case, 96 1 rupee coins and 2 2 rupees coins we have to take. Okay, and so on and so on. If you consider the 49th case, 49th case, you'll get like 49 2 rupees coins and 49 2 rupees coins. Sorry, first we are writing 1 rupees, right? Wait 1 minute. See, have a look. And so on. And so on, we'll get 2 1 rupee coins and 49 2 rupees coins. Total, there are 49 cases. This is one case and this is one case. Generally, we can do like this. Total 51 cases. So option B is the right answer. Right, Nanavarun? You are right. It's B. 51. It's right. I hope it's clear. Is it clear, everybody? Kindly reply. This is the question from probability directly. Next one. Find the number of positive integers. Find the number of positive integers less than 2000 which can be expressed n is equal to 2 power m plus 2 power n, where m and n are integers. For example, have a look. We know that 2 power 10, it is 1024. 2 power 10, 1024. For example, if I consider m and n both as 10, if I consider m and n both as 10, we'll get 2 power 10 plus 2 power 10. N is equal to 2 power 10 plus 2 power 10, which is 2048 you will get, which is greater than 2000. But the condition says then n should be less than 2000. N should be less than 2000. That means m and n not equals to 10 at a time. M not equals to n not equals to 10. I hope it's clear. This is the basic idea which we'll get from this. I hope it's clear. Now, have a look of it. Have a look of it. That is first case. First case. For example, 2 power 10, n is equal to 2 power 10 plus 2 power n, where n can be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and so on up to 9. Second case, n is equal to 2 power 9 plus 2 power n, where n can be 1, 2 and so on up to 8. Up to 8. How it is? This is the sum of n natural numbers, right? Total 0 to 9. Total there are 10 numbers. So 10 into 11 by 2. N into n plus 1 by 2. 10 into 11 by 2. 2 5s are. It is 55. Is this clear? I hope it's clear. It's 55. Actually, the option is mistakenly given. It is 55. Is this clear, everybody? Kindly reply. Next one. Come on, who are there in the class? Is it clear? Next question. Have a look of it. Fishing, a serious environmental issue. It has been determined by the scientist that if the net of a trawler has the mesh size x centimeters by x, then the percentage of fish enter the net that is caught in the net is this value. For example, if the mesh size is 0, 100% fish that enter the net will be caught. అర్థమవుతుందా నాన్న? ఒక మెష్, ఒక నెట్లో ఒక మెష్ ఉంది. ఆ మెష్ స్క్వేర్ మెష్ యూస్ చేస్తున్నారు. ఒకవేళ ఎక్స్ సెంటీమీటర్స్ ఇంటూ ఎక్స్, ఎక్స్ బై ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ మెష్ కనుక యూస్ చేస్తే అక్కడ 100 minus 0.02 x square minus 0.05 x number of fishes will be caught. అదే ఒకవేళ మెష్ సైజ్ కనుక 0 యూస్ చేస్తే, if it is 0, 100% fishes ఎంటర్ అయినవి కాట్ అవుతాయి. అయితే the trawler with a square mesh that was suspected of using a illegal net size dropped its net to the ocean floor near the dams and Coast Guard officials arrested the crew. వాళ్ళు ఇల్లీగల్గా ఒక స్క్వేర్ మెష్ యూస్ చేశారు కాబట్టి వాళ్ళు అందరినీ పట్టుకున్నారని చెప్పారు. ఓకే. The scientist later looked at the size of the fish caught and estimated that the net used by the trawler at caught site is 97.93% of the fish enter the net. ఎంటర్ అయిన ఫిష్ 100% అనుకుంటే 100%లో 97.93 ఫిష్ కాట్ అయింది నెట్లో. అయితే వాట్ ఈస్ ద మ్యాక్సిమం వాల్యూ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ ఫర్ ద నెట్ ఆఫ్ ది ట్రావెలర్? అయితే ఇక్కడ ఎక్స్ అంటే ఆ మెష్ సైజ్ ఎంత అని అడుగుతున్నాడు. మెష్ ఒక సైడ్ ఎంత? ఎక్స్ అంటే ఒక సైడే కదా, ఎంత అని అడుగుతున్నాడు. ఐ హోప్ ఇట్స్ క్లియర్. క్వశ్చన్ ఇదనమాట మీనింగ్. నా హ్యావ్ ఎ లుక్ ఆఫ్ ఇట్. వాడు మనకు ఒకటి చెప్పాడు, ఏం చెప్పాడంట, మెష్ సైజ్ యూజ్ చేసింది 100 minus 0.02 x square minus 0.05 x. This is the number of fish caught if you use the normal mesh, is equal to 97.93. That much percentage. Now from this, have a look of it. 0.02 x square minus 0.05 x is equal to 100. Okay, I'll take this side. Subtract చేస్తే minus 100 minus 97.93, that is, it is 2.07 is equal to 0. This is what the equation we got. Now for simplification purpose, I am multiplying this equation with 50 for simplification purpose. ఓకే, ఎందుకు 50తో మల్టిప్లై చేస్తున్నానంటే ఇక్కడ 0.02 ఉంది. ఇఫ్ యూ మల్టిప్లై దిస్ 0.02 with 50, it will become 1. So x square, this will come minus. Now have a look. 0.05 into 50, this will become 2. Sorry guys, this is plus only. Okay, 2.5 x is equal to 2.07 into 50. It will become 103.5, right? 103.5. 7 5s are 35. So 103.5. Now from the options, kept this 8.5 aside. Because as it is a decimal value. Now check with the normal value 9. So 9 square, it's 81 plus 25 into 9, it is 225, right? 25 9s are 225. So it is nothing but 22.5 is equal to 103.5. Now 81 plus 22.5, it's 103.5. The condition satisfies. LHS become RHS. So directly we can pick the option as 9. Is this clear, everybody? Is this clear, everyone? Kindly reply. Question anta peddaga unte answer anta simple ga manam solve cheyochu. Just a practical application. That's it. Come on, kindly reply. Is this clear? May I go with the next one? Next question. This is the question from time and work. Have a look of it. ABC can together do some work in 72 days. He has given like ABC can do the work in 72 days. Okay. A and B together 2 times as much work as C alone. That is, A plus B is equal to 2C. That is what he given. Next, A plus C together can do 4 times as much as the work does B alone. As much as work that B alone. Okay. This is equation 1, this is equation 2. Substitute equation 2 in equation 1. From this, we can clearly get like 2C plus C, 3C is equal to 72. C is equal to 72 into 3. 72 into 3. 216 days. 216 days. Direct question. Very simple question. 216 days. చాలా మంది ఏమనుకుంటారు తెలుసా అండి, జనరల్గా మనకి 3C ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు సి 3C ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 72 అంటే C ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 72/3 వేస్తారు, విచ్ ఈజ్ రాంగ్. బికాస్ ఇక్కడ ఏంటంటే దిస్ ఈజ్ ఎఫిషియన్సీ and this is time period. Efficiency cannot be equal to time period. Strictly speaking, this is nothing but 1/3 times of C is equal to 72. C is equal to 72 into 3. That is 216. This is how we have to take actually. But for time being, for simplification, I take the step directly. I hope it's clear. Keep in mind, in time and work, time period is always inversely proportional to efficiency. It is not equal, not at all equal. I hope it's clear. Is it clear? Kindly reply. I'll go with the next one. Kindly reply. Next one. This is also a question from time and work. Have a look. A and B completed certain work together in 5 days. That is, there are the persons A and B complete the work in 5 days. A worked at twice his own speed and B half of his own speed. It would have taken 4 days to complete the job. That is, he is saying like A is working twice the speed and B is working at half of the speed. Okay, the total work will complete in 4 days. Total work will complete in 4 days. Now, have a look of it. That is, strictly speaking, 1/4 and 1/5 we have to take. Because, as I told you before, the time period is inversely proportional to efficiency. As this is the efficiency, in order to convert this time period, I have to take 1/, so it will convert into efficiency. I hope it's clear. Now, solve these both equations. If you solve these equations, you'll get A is equal to 1/10. A is equal to 1/10. That is, A can do 1/10 of the work in 1 day. A can do 1/10 of the work in 1 day. So the total work can be completed in 10 days. Total work can be completed in 10 days. A can do 1/10 of the work in 1 day. 1/10 of the work in 1 day. Then the total work is completed in 10 days. We have discussed previously. That is key point. key point. That is, if 1 by nth of the work completed in 1 day, then total work will complete in n days. Will complete in n days. I hope it's clear. If 1 by nth of the work completed in 1 day, the total work will be completed in n days. I hope it's clear. Next one. A sum of 2387 is divided into 10 parts in such a way that 1/5 of the first part, 1/2 of the second part, for example, and 1/3 of the 1/4 of the third part are equal. Let us think 2387 are divided into 3 parts, A, B, C. He told like 1/3 of A is equal to 1/2 of B is equal to 1/4 of C. 1/4 of C. Sorry, 1/5, right? So this is 5. 1/5 of A is equal to half of B is equal to 1/4 of C. If you equate with this a constant K, so A will become 5K, B will become 2K, and C will become 4K. He told that the total that is 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 4, 11K parts is equal to 2387. From this, K is equal to 217. K is equal to 217. Okay, directly you can cancel. 11 2s are 22. Remainder 1, 18. 11 1s are 11. Remainder is 7. So 11 7s are 77. I hope it's clear. K is equal to 217. Now, have a look. Find the sum of 5 times of first part, 3 times of second part, and 4 times of third part in rupees. See, this is 5 times of first part. This will become 25K. And 3 times of second part. This will become 6K. And 4 times of third part. This will become 16K. So, if you add all this, you'll get, a total. Come on, try to add this and tell me. 25 plus 6, it's 31. 25 plus 6, 31. 31 plus 16. Total how much? 47K. 47K. See, have a look. 47 into 217, as K is the, there is no need to multiply. 7 7s are 49. The units place will be 9. Here only one option is there with 9, that is the answer. So there is only one option with this. We can take that directly. I hope it's clear. Is this clear, everybody? Yeah, it's right. Srikanth, it's right. I hope it's clear. Next one. What is the greatest possible positive integer n if 16 power n divides 44 power 44 without leaving remainder? Have a look. He given like if 44 power 44 is divisible by 16 power n, what is the greatest possible integer of n? What is the greatest possible integer of n? That is what he asked. Now, have a look. Try to, as these are the composite numbers, try to write in prime basis. Try to write in prime basis. That is, have a look of it. This can be written as 11 fours are power 44 by 16 can be written as 2 power 4 n. That is 11 power 44 into 4 can be written as 2 square, right? So 2 into 44, it's 88 by 2 power 4 n. As they told us, if you divide it, the no remainder can be obtained. No remainder is possible. That is, see, have a look. 2 power 4 n is equal to 2 power 88. We have to find out the n. As the bases are equal, the powers are equal. 4n is equal to 88. n is equal to 22. n is equal to 22. So we can take 22 is the n value. Is this clear, everybody? "22" is the n value. Now, actually I had come across a question which is similar question. 44 power 44 by 6 power n. 44 power 44 is equal to 6 power n. Try to solve this and tell me the answer. Try to solve this and tell me the answer. Is it possible or not? Yes, Srikanth. Have a look of it, Srikanth. Actually, see, have a look. He asked us to divide 44 power 44 with 16 power n. 16 power n. Now, have a look of it. As it is the composite number, we have to split into prime basis. ప్రైమ్ బేసిస్కే ఎందుకు తీసుకుంటామంటే ఒక్కటి ఆలోచించండి. ఇక్కడ గ్రేటెస్ట్ పాసిబుల్ పాజిటివ్ ఇంటీజర్ అని అడిగాడు. గ్రేటెస్ట్ పాసిబుల్, గ్రేటెస్ట్ అంటే నథింగ్ బట్ HCF ఈజ్ ఆస్కింగ్. వీ హ్యావ్ టు ఫైండ్ అవుట్ ద కామన్ టర్మ్స్ బిట్వీన్ దెమ్. Greatest means HCF, right? We have to find out the common terms. So 11 can be written, 44 can be written as 11 fours are 11 power 44 into 4 can be written as 2 square. Square 2 into 44, it's 88 by 2 power 4 n. 2 power 4 n, that is 2 power 88 is equal to 2 power 4 n. We have to compare the prime basis. 4n is equal to 88. N is equal to 22. We can solve it simply, Srikant, actually. Okay, it is the simple one only. As he is asking the HCF. HCF is nothing but the common term among them. అసలు మనం ప్రైమ్ బేసిస్ లో రాయకుండా కామన్ టర్మ్స్ ఏంటి అనేది మనకు తెలియదు కదా. దట్స్ వై వీఆర్ యూజింగ్ దిస్. ఐ హోప్ ఇట్స్ క్లియర్. ఈజ్ ఇట్ క్లియర్ ఎవ్రీవన్? కైండ్లీ రిప్లై. Thank you everybody. As it takes much time to solve the 10 questions, in next session I will solve further more digital and advanced TCS Ninja questions. Stay tuned to the channel. If you feel this video helps you, if you feel the content is good, then try to share this content with your friends who are preparing for the campus placements. Thank you everybody. Take care of yourself and your family. Bye everyone. We'll meet in the next class.